Okay, so Encore. Again, I have an asset window. These are the items that I may or may not incorporate into my finished DVD. It's kind of soft, isn't it? This is my viewing monitor. Here we go. This is where I can look at sequences or timelines that I've produced. In Encore, any item that you're going to play is a timeline. You set it up as a timeline. Once again, I have my metadata window. Look familiar? We've got some media here with a bunch of metadata information. I'll just get rid of that because I don't need it right now. Then I've got menus. So one of the features of Blu-ray DVDs is that you can produce what are called pop-up menus rather than regular full-screen menus. They work in exactly the same way as a regular menu. The difference is that when you press the menu button, you don't go to the menu, it just comes up overlaid on the picture, so it continues. So this is a pop-up menu. And Encore really is object-oriented design. With Encore, all you do is select the item that you want to specify settings for, and then choose the options inside the properties window. So a classic example would be, for example, here I have a button. What do I want to happen when someone chooses that button, when someone chooses that option on the DVD? And here I've got a link menu. And if I wanted that to play one of my timelines, I simply select the button. And then here I've got, this is called a pick whip. I have these in After Effects as well. I can drag this over to an item I want the button to link to, let go, and that's it, it's done. It's set for my menu. So as long as you understand how pick whips work, and you understand that each item in your DVD links together with each other item, it's really, really easy to build a disc. To make it a little bit easier, we also have this flowchart view, which in this DVD, this is kind of a complex DVD to look at it for the first time. If I make this, let me see if I can make this full screen. You can see, here's the DVD. When you put the disc in, the first thing you get is the main menu. This is called the first play, and it's just a tick box effectively for the DVD. What's going to be the first thing that you play? Here are the buttons on that menu, and those buttons link to these various items. When those items finish playing, you have to have an end action. Well, in most cases, it's going to go back to a menu, or it might just give you a pop-up menu or something like that, and so on and so on and so on. So it's a chain of events that you're creating when you're setting up a DVD.